Hello everyone! In this video, I would like to recap some of the key findings that we addressed during our recent webinar. In this webinar, we focused on the tolerance issues that you may face during body-in-white assembly and the approach developed at AutoForm to fix, or even better, anticipate these problems. Here we are talking about the tolerance issues that occurs at tryout, when you assemble all single stamping parts in real conditions. And even if the stamping parts are in tolerance, it does not necessarily mean that the assembly will be also in tolerance. At pilot hole, when you observe tolerance issues or simply saying too much deviations with respect to nominal values, the first question you need to answer is, can I solve this issue at the body shop, or should I get back to the press shop? Because, for example, the spring back observed is too large. Obviously, it makes more sense to find a solution at the body shop because it is far more simple and less costly than making changes at the press shop. Hence, the most common approach is to work either on the joining sequence or to modify the clamping conditions. This technique is commonly called shimming. AutoForm provides its assembly solution, which is more than another simulation software. For geometry experts, operating in the tryout phase up to start of production, the software provides all means to test different clamping solutions and proceed through virtual shimming. Here you can either use the software to make individual changes in your clamping concept and see one by one if the overall distortion is improved, or alternatively, you can trigger a sequence where, based on the selection of clamps, the software will automatically calculate a reliable process window and the corresponding values for an optimum shimming of clamps or teaching of joints. This smart approach can really contribute to a significant reduction of the quality loops when, at the body shop, new shimming settings needs to be implemented and validated. Hence, you can say that AutoForm assembly is the perfect solution to define the necessary countermeasures for shimming, determine the influence of individual clamping concepts, and benefit from an automatic analysis of various shimming combinations. If you wish to have more information about AutoForm solutions for the body-in-white assembly process, feel free to contact me, and also you can take advantage of our dedicated blog, formingworld.com. Thank you very much for your time.